Okay, friends, welcome to IACE. So, friends, here we are going to discuss RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims Grand Test number 49 explanation. Now, friends, take your first question. Sige. Beginning first question is from coding and decoding. First question is from coding and decoding. So, friends, if they're given like these models, don't solve line by line and take question, then go with here information. Now, take your question. Question number one, which of the following is could be the code as COA? Now, friends, check here. Check here, COA is present in which line? COA is present in which line? So, friends, check here we are having COA. Next, friends, check here. Second line are there, third line are there, fourth line COA. First line, fourth line, common code is COA, common code. But not there. Catch, not there. Made, not there. Think. Here we are having think. Here also we are having think. Yes. So first line, third line, fourth line, common information is think, common code is what? COA. Then answer is what? Think. So question number one, answer is option C. Question number two, which of the following word are coded as seam into? Yes, friends, check it. Seam into. Friends, once take here, seam code. Friends, check it. Seam is present in only this line. Next, then only information is seam, then only code. Only code means now friends check here. XOA eliminated. NOA eliminated. Next is part DOA eliminated. Yes, friends check here only information is part seam. Now only code is part EOA. Only code is part here EOA. Next one into. Next one is part into. Friends here into is present in only. See here. Here we are having into. Here also we are having into. Second line, fourth line. Second line, fourth line. Check once. Second line, fourth line, common information is into. Then common code is what? JOA. Is there any other codes are same? DOA not there. QOA, XOA. That means JOA. So answer is what? Here, JOA. Check once. EOA, JOA. EOA, JOA. So answer is what? Option B. So question number 2, answer is option B. Question number 3, how is the sentence name game coded in the given language? Yes, name game and name game. Check once what the code for name. What the code for name. So friends here name is present in which line? Friends check. First line not there. Second line not there. Next only present in fourth line. Only present in fourth line. Now friends check here. Now check here game also. Game also check once. See first line not there. Second line not there. Third line also not there. Only fourth line. That means only informations are name game. Then only code. That means two codes should be there. COA common code. Friends check here. COA eliminated. Next FOA is not there. MOA. Next JOA. Friends check here. JOA. Here also we are having JOA. That means FOA MOA. So friends, what the code for name game means FOA MOA. FOA MOA. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 3. Option D. Question number 4. Which of the following could be coded as NOA? Friends, one check here. NOA is present in which line? Here we are having NOA. Here also we are having NOA. Then first line and third line here only common code is what? NOA. Common code is what? Here NOA. Then only common information. First line, third line. Bat not there. Catch not there. Made. Here we are having made. Here also we are having made. So what the code for NOA means? Answer is what? Made. Question number 4. Option A. Question number 5 to 9. Question number 5 to 9. See 7% A, B, C, D, E and F and G were born on 7th September in different years among given years. Take here 1989, next 1994, next 1996, 2001, 2005, 2007, next 2014. Yes, this is the given years. And next, but not necessarily in the same order. Leave. Each of them was born in different countries among Brazil, Egypt, France, India, Iraq, Spain, and Vietnam. Next, the age of each of the person can be calculated with respect to 2020. That means here base year is for 2020. Base year is for 2020. Now, friends, check here 2020. Suppose the one who born in 1989, what is his present age means 2020 minus 1989. This one is part. 10 minus 9 here 1, this one is part. Here 11 minus 3 means this one is part. Here 11 minus 8 means part 3. That means this one is part 31 years. Yes. Only for one person take like this and solve like this. But for remaining persons again, don't solve 2020 minus 1994 like that. Now check it. 89 to 94. How many years here increase here? 5 years increase. That means age will decrease by 5 years. Then 31 minus 31 minus 5. 31 minus 5 means this one is part 26. This one is part 26. If you have any doubt, check once. 2020 minus 1994. This one is part here 6. Now 11 minus 9 means part. This one is part 2. Then answer is part 26. Now 94 to 96. How many years increase? 2 years. Then age will decrease by 2 years. Then 24. Next. 96 to 2001. How many years increase? 5 years. Age will decrease by 5 years. That means this one is part 19. Next. 2001 to 4. 5. 4 years increased. That means age will decrease by 4 years. 15. Next year 5 to 7. That means here this one is part 13. 7 to 14 means part 7 years increase. Decrease by 7 years means part. This one is part 6. This one is part here 6. Now these are the ages and these are the ages based upon 2020. Leave it. Next one. Next point is what? Neither F nor B was born in France or Brazil. Yes, one check it. So when they given is what? See, they given one is what? F or B does not born in F or B not born in Brazil and France. Now F and B Brazil no chance. Next France also no chance. France also no chance. Yes, leave it. Go for next point. G was born in India and after at least 3%. Yes, one check it. G was born in India after at least 3 persons were born. After at least 3 persons were born, then G was born. That means for G possibility is what? 2001, 5, 7, 14 also chance. Why means G before minimum 3 persons should be born. Yes. Next one is from check here. Next point is that means for G just to take here. G here there is chance to take. Why means G before compulsory 3 persons were born. Yes, leave it. Next one. So A is 2 years younger than C. A is 2 years younger than C. That means for A possibility is what? A is 2 years younger than C. So friends, A is 2 years younger than C. Yes, this is the possibility. 24, 25. A is 2 years younger than C. Yes, that means A is younger than what? So not one. So A is 2 years younger than C. This is the possibility. Otherwise, next one is what? 15, 13 also chance. Now A is 2 years younger than C. C is 15, A is 13. That means A is 2 years younger than C. Yes, possibility. Next one. Next one is from check. Next point. Next, who was born in Iraq? Who was born means what? C. C was born in Iraq. C was born in here, Iraq. Next one check. He also C was born in Iraq. C was born in Iraq. Next. D was born in Vietnam. Now from check. The given is what? D was born in Vietnam. Yes, leave it. Next one. 2 persons were born between birth of G and E. E is younger than G. Yes, this is the clue point. And yes, friends, see before G, minimum we are having 3 members. But between G and E, 3 persons were born, but E is younger than G. E is younger than G. Suppose if I take a G, before G, at least 3 persons were born. Between G and E, here we are having 2 members. We are having 2 members. E is younger than G. Yes. E 6 year. Now G is what? 19. So E అనే అతను G కంటే చిన్నోడు అండి. G కంటే చిన్నోడు. Yes here. Now E is younger than G, but at least 3 persons were born before G. That means when is what? Here G. Before G, at least 3 persons. Between G and E, here 2 members. E is younger than G. E is younger than G. Yes, leave it. Next, go for next one. See here. F was born just before B. That means F and B both are immediate. F was born just before B. F was just before B. So F was just before B means now possibility is what? F and B both are immediate. This is the only possibility. F was born just before B. Now in this case, remaining is what? D. Now F possibility, F was born just before B. Here chance, here also chance. Leave it. Next one. At least 3 persons were born between D and C. Between D and C, at least 3 persons were born. Here D and C both are neighbors. Then down possibility, no chance. So here, at least 3 persons were born between D and C. Between D and C, minimum we are having 3 members, but both are neighbors. Both are here neighbors. So between D and C, 3 members. Say 1, 2, 3. I will take here D. I will take here D. Now F is just elder than B. So F is just elder than B. Yes, this is the given one. Next one. E was not born in Brazil. Now E was not born in Brazil. Yes. For E Brazil, no chance. For E Brazil, no chance. Yes. Now D was born in Vietnam. Friends here. D was born in here Vietnam. Next, she was born in Iraq. She was born in Iraq. Now, next one is what? Remaining about any other persons they given. See, neither F nor B is a France, Brazil. Next, G was born in India. Yes, friends, check here. G was born in India. Now, friends, check here. G is India. G is here, India. Next, at least three persons were born before G. Next one is what? D was born in Vietnam. Next, they given one more clue point is what? Friends, check here. F and B does not represent Brazil and France. Brazil, France here no chance. Here, E also Brazil no chance. E does not belongs to Brazil. Here Brazil no chance. Here also Brazil no chance. Me Brazil possibility spot. Yeah, Brazil possibility spot. Here, yeah. F and B does not represent France also. Then F and B France no chance. Then France possibility spot. E France possibility spot. E. Now remaining is what? Remain two is what? Egypt. Next one Spain. We don't know about Egypt and Spain. Mean these two are the possibility spot. Here Egypt and this one is what? Here Spain. These two are the possibility spot. Egypt and Spain. Maybe F is Egypt or Spain or B is Egypt or Spain. Yes, leave it. Take now questions here. Question number 5. Question number 5. How many persons were born before the C's birth year? Before C, how many persons were born? G, B, F, D. See here. Before C, these are born. That means total how many persons are there? Total 4 members. Yes. Question number 5. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 6. Who was born in Egypt? Egypt. F or B? F or B? Then answer is what? Cannot be determined. Cannot be determined. Question number 7. Dash was born in 2007. Who was born in 2007? Here. A. Brazil. So question number 7. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 8. Who among the following is eldest? The one who born in first. That person is what? Eldest. Here eldest means what? The third one. So who is the eldest means here? D. Eldest means what? D. So question number 8. Answer is what? Option B. Question number 8. Here answer is what? Option B. Next, question number 9. He was born in which year? 2014. He was born in 2014 in which country here? France. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 9. Option A. Question number 10 to 13. Friends again. 6 friends A, B, C, D, E and F went for shopping and bought different things for different amount. Yes, friends again. Take A, B, C, D. Next E, F. Yes, friends, say totally we are having 6 members went for shopping and each one bought different items. Leave it. Next one. So the price difference between the mobile and the thing that she bought is 500. So mobile and the thing that she bought is 500. Yes. So the difference between price of mobile and the one who bought C is 500. Leave it. Next one. The sum of the price of the thing that A bought and the shoe is 1700. A plus 2 is what? 1700. A plus 2 is what? 1700. Leave it. A does not buy headphone. Now, friends, again, A does not buy here headphone. A does not buy here headphone. Leave it. Next one. E bought pen drive for 850 rupees. Friends, again. E bought pen drive. Friends, again. E bought here pen drive for 850 rupees. For 850 rupees. Next. So, friends, again. Next one. Take here. Next one is what? E bought pen drive for 850 rupees. Next, the difference between prices of things that A and E bought is 150. A and E bought is what? 150. Yes. So friends, here the difference between the prices of the things that A and E brought is what? 150. So A and E, this difference is what? 150. Maybe plus 150 or maybe minus 150. Suppose plus 150 means what? 850 plus 150 total is what? This one is what? 1000. This one is what? 1000. Minus 150 means this one is what? 700. Yes or no? The given condition is what? The difference between the prices of the things that A and E bought is what? 150. A and E difference is what? 150. We know E is what? 850. So difference is 150 means what? Maybe plus, maybe minus. 850 plus 150. Otherwise 850 minus 150. Then A is what? 1000 rupees or 700 rupees. Leave it. Next one. Next one is what? D bought a thing for 500 rupees. Yes. Now D bought a thing for 500 rupees. Next one. C neither bought shirt nor headphone. Now, friends, here C shirt no chance. Next, headphone also no chance. Headphone also no chance. Yes, leave it. Next one. Next, the price of the shirt is 650 rupees. Yes, friends, again, the given is what? Price of the shirt price is what here 650. Shirt price is what 650. Next, the price difference between camera and mobile is 200. Now camera minus mobile equal to here 200. Yes. Next one, b bought mobile. Now see here, b bought here mobile, b bought here mobile. Next one is what? Fun check here. Here shirt 650 rupees. Shirt 650 means possibility is what? Fun check here. C does not bought shirt. C does not bought shirt. That means for shirt here, no chance. Shirt possibility is what? Fun check here. Shirt possibility is what? D 500 rupees. No. Then shirt possibility is what? A also no chance. Only possibility is what? Yeah. Now this one is what? Here shirt. This one is what? Shirt. This one is what? Here 650 rupees. Yes. Next one. Headphones here no chance. Here also no chance. Then this is the only possibility for headphone. This is the only possibility for here headphone. Next. A different sum of A and shoe is what? 1700 rupee. That means A is different and shoe is different. A is different, shoe is different means for A here, shoe no chance. Then shoe, this is the possibility for shoe. This is the possibility for shoe. Now remaining is what? Camera. This one is what? Here, camera. Yes. Now friends take here. Now values. See here. Now friends check here. If I take here, camera is we don't know 1000 rupees or 700 rupees. Now suppose I will take camera is 700 rupees. Camera is 700 rupees. Camera is 700 rupees means the difference between camera and mobile price is what? 200. That means here mobile is what? Then plus 200 or minus 200. Plus 200 means what? Here 900. Minus 200 means what? This one is what? 500. This one is what? Here 500. But the given thing is what? Each person having the different amount. 500 already completed for headphones. That means now friends again the given is not how I am possibly checking. For camera possibly is 1000 rupees, 700 rupees. Suppose if I take 700 rupees, our requirement is what? Difference between camera and mobile phone is what? 200 rupees. That means plus 200 or minus 200. 700 minus 200 means what? Here 500. 500 is already fixed for headphones. Each person having the different amount. Then 700 plus 200 is what? 900. That means here mobile phone is for 900. Suppose mobile is for 900. Mobile is for 900 means what? Now difference between mobile and CA is friends here mobile and CA is what? Here 500 rupees. Difference between mobile and CA is what? 500 rupees. Suppose friends here now mobile and CA we don't know about CA now this one is 700 rupees means now A plus 2 is what? A plus 2 is what? Here 1700 rupees. This one is 700 rupees means now shoe is what? 1000 rupees. C is what? 1000 rupees. Now difference between mobile and C. Mobile and C is what? 500 rupees. Is then chance to get? No. That means this 700 possibility, no chance. That means this one is what? 1000 rupees. Now shoe is what? 700 rupees. Shoe is 700 rupees. And that means now A plus shoe is what? 1700 rupees. Next one. Our requirement is what? Front check here. The difference between camera and mobile phone is what? Here 200. Camera and mobile phone is what? 200. Maybe plus 200 or minus 200. 1000 minus 200 is what? 800. 1000 minus 200 is what? 800. But our requirement is what? Difference between mobile and C. This one is what? Mobile. This one is what? C. This one is what? 500. 800 minus, there is no chance to get 500. That means this one is what? Minus 200, no chance. Then take plus 200. 1000 plus 200 is what? This one is what? 1200. This one is what? 1200. This one is 1200 me. Now this one is what? Shoe is what? 700. Difference is what? 500. Yes. This is the given entire 100. Yes. So friends, by taking possibility, you should check each and every condition. Each and every condition. Yes. Go for now questions. Question number 10. The price of camera price is what? 1000 rupees. Question number 10. Answer is option B. Question number 11. The sum of the prices of mobile and shoe. Mobile and shoe. Mobile this one is shoe. 1200 plus 700. Answer is what? 1900. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 11. Option C. Question number 12. The absolute price difference between headphones and shoe. Headphone this one is what? Shoe. Difference is what? Here 200. Difference is what? 200. Yes. Question number 12. Answer is option B. Question number 13. Which of the following combination is true? Leave it. Take first option. B bought thing for 900 rupees. No, wrong. Next. C bought camera. No. Next. Price of the headphones is 600 rupees. No. Next. B bought things for 1200 rupees. Yes. Then answer is what? Option D. Which of the following is true means option D. Question number 14. Question number 14. Friends check here. Two persons A and B were 5 meters apart. in which A is to the west of B. A is friends again. A is west of B. A is west of B. Friends again here 5 meters apart. A is west of B. Leave it. A is moved 3 meters south and turned to right. A is moving 3 meters south, then turn it to right. Facing south means left and right hand, turn it to right, turn it to right. Next, see here, A moved 3 meters south and turned to right and moved for 3 meters to reach his school. Yes, he walked 3 meters and he reached to his school. He reached to his school. Next, B moved 3 meters south. Now, B is moving 3 meters south. Yes, B is moving 3 meters south. Then turn out right, facing south means left hand and right hand. Turn out right and moved for 2 meters and moved for here 2 meters to reach his school. To reach his school. Yes. So this one is what? B school. This one is what here? B school. This one is what? A school. What is the distance between these schools? Now this one is what? 3. This total is what? 5. This one is 2 meter. Now remember this one is what? Here 3 meter. So distance between these two schools is what? 3 meter, 3 meter. Answer is what? Here's 3, these 3. These two are horizontally in line. This one is 3, this one is 3. Then distance between two schools. Answer is what? 6 meters. Answer is what? 6 meter. Question number 14. Option D. Question number 15 to 17. They again questions are from inequalities. Friends, check here given statement. See here the given statement is what? H equal to O. Friends, check here. H equal to O greater than or equal to Q. Greater than or equal to Q. Friends, take connecting points. Friend. Take here connecting points. HOQ. HOQ. Now take this one. D greater than or equal to L. L less than Q. Now Q greater than L. Friends, check here. Q greater than L. See here. Now this one is what? Q greater than L. L less than or equal to D. See here. Q greater than L. Next L less than or equal to D. Next with the D again. D less than or equal to A. D less than or equal to A. Next A less than I. See here. A less than here I. Now friends, see here. Now remaining is what? R less than or equal to H. Next one is what? Next one more is what? V less than or equal to I. V less than or equal to IN. Now see here. R less than or equal to H. R less than or equal to H. Next one is what? R less than or equal to H. Next one is what? V less than or equal to I. V less than or equal to I. So V less than or equal to I means what? I is greater than or equal to V. I is greater than or equal to V. Yes. This is the given statement. Given statement. Take first conclusion L and V. One check between L and V. Friends, once try to frame like this and why means if we are able to frame like this, we are easily able to conclude. Now L and V. L and V relation is what? Both are opposite. Can't say. First one is what? Wrong. Now L and I. L and I is what? Less than or equal to, less than or equal to, less than. Result is what? Less than. So L less than I. Here also L less than I. Second one is 2. Then answer is what? Only second follows. Answer is what? Option B. So question number 15. Option B. Question number 16. Friends, take here given statement. See here. R greater than or equal to Y less than D. Next one is what? P greater than or equal to K. Next one is what? R greater than T. Next T greater than K. That means here K less than T. Friends, check here. K less than T. Next T less than R. Next one is what? W greater than B. B equal to O. Next O less than or equal to D. Now D greater than or equal to O. Now O equal to B. W greater than B. Then B less than W. B less than W. Next one. P greater than or equal to K. P greater than or equal to K. This is the given statement. Take first conclusion P and Y. Friend, between P and Y, what are the symbols here? P and Y. Friends, check here. P and Y. Greater than or equal less than opposite. Can't say. First one is wrong. Now K and Y. K and Y relation is what? Friends, check here. K and Y. Both are opposite. Can't say. Wrong. Then simple answer is what? Both are false. Both are false means simple answer is what? Neither one nor two. Option D. Question number 17. Take here given statement. S greater than F. Y greater than. Take this one. Y greater than Q. Q equal to M. Now G equal to B. B greater than M. That means M less than B. B equal to G. Now T is greater than or equal to Y. See here. T is greater than or equal to Y. Next G equal to J less than or equal to F. First one is what? S greater than F. That means F less than S. Take first conclusion here. S and M. Between S and M, one check what are the symbols here? S and M. Less than, equal to, less than or equal, less than. Result is what? Less than. So M less than S. S greater than M. First one is true. Second one, B and F. One check here B and F. Equal to, less than or equal to, less than or equal to. So B less than or equal to F, then F greater than or equal to B less than or equal to F. Then second one also true. Then answer is what? Both are true. Option C. Question number 17. Option C. Question number 18 to 22. Here the again question is from sitting arrangement. 12 people. Friends, the given is what? Total here we are having 12 people are sitting in a two parallel rows containing 6 people each, such that there is equidistance from each other. Row number 1, Anjali, Dhruv, Amisha, Vishal, Kaira and Jia are sitting facing south. Next one. In row number 2, Parul, Pankaj, Piyush, Divya, Tanuj and Vikram are sitting facing north. Therefore, in the given sitting arrangement, each member sitting in a row facing another member of other row. Yes, friends, here. So friends, totally here we are having 12 members. Totally here we are having 12 members are sitting in two parallel rows. Yes, friends, here. Totally here we are having 12 members are sitting in two parallel rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, they are facing each other. Yes, they are facing each other. Friends, here the given is what? Anjali. Friends, here take care. Anjali. Next one is what? Here Dhruv. Next one is what? Amisha. Next Vishal. Next Kaira. Next Jia. All are facing south. All are facing south. Next one is what? Row 2. Parul. See the one is what? Here Parul. Next Pankaj. Parul. Next one is what? Pankaj. Next Piyush. Next one is what? Piyush. Next Divya. Next one is what? Tanuj and Vikram. Tanuj and Vikram are facing north. Are facing north. Yes, leave it. This is the given entire data. Leave it. Now take first point. 3 persons sit between. See the given is what? Friends, see 3 persons sit between. 3 persons sit between Amisha and Vishal. Either Amisha or Vishal sits at extreme end of the line. Yes, leave it. Next. So again, between Amisha and Vishal, here we are having 3 members. We are having 3 members. Next one is what? Here, either Amisha or Vishal sits at extreme end of the line. Leave it. Next one. The next point is what? The one who faces Vishal sits far left of Piyush. Now, friends, if I take Vishal and if I take a Vishal, the one who facing Vishal, this person is far left of Piyush. This one is far left of Piyush. Yes. Now, friends, check here. If I take a Vishal, I will take here. This one is part here Vishal and this one is part here Vishal. This one is Vishal means now the one who facing Vishal is far left of Piyush. This one is what? Here Piyush. This one is what? Here Piyush. Yes. Next one. This one is Vishal means now between Vishal and Manisha, here Amisha, here we are having 3 members. Vishal, 1, 2, 3. This one is what? Here Amisha. This one is what? Here Amisha. Yes. Next. So out of Vishal and Amisha, one person is extreme. Yes. There is a chance to take. There is a chance to take. Amisha also, if I take extreme, and there is chance to take, and then take that possibility also. That means for this one, there is chance to get 2 possibility. There is chance to get 2 possibility. See here. Now, friends, here totally here we are having 12 members are sitting in a 2 parallel rows. Are sitting in a 2 parallel rows. Yes. Each row here we are having 6 members. Here we are having 6 members. Yes. Now, friends, here our requirement is what? Suppose if I take different spot Amisha, different spot here Amisha. Next 1, 2, 3 different spot here Vishal, different spot here Vishal. Next suppose friends here. Suppose friends here. If I take this one is Amisha, this one is Vishal means the one who facing Vishal, far left of Piyush, no chance. If I take here Vishal means far left of Piyush, no chance. Then Vishal here means now this one is what? Amisha. So out of Vishal and Amisha, one person is extreme end. Now the one who facing Vishal is far left of Piyush. This one is what? Here Piyush. This one is what? Piyush. Leave it. Next one. Friend, next point is what? Friends, here. Divya faces the one who sits far left of Anjali, and see here, Divya faces the one who sits far left of Anjali, and neither sits adjacent to Piyush nor facing Kaira. That means, friends, here, the given is what? Divya faces the one who sits far left of Anjali. In generally here, Anjali is facing, friends, here, Anjali is facing south. Now the next one is what? Divya is far left of the one who facing Anjali. For Anjali and facing south, first left, second left, third left. Then this one is facing Divya. This one is facing Divya. See here, Divya is faces the one who sits far left of the one who sits far left of Anjali, and she is neither sit adjacent to Piyush nor facing Kaira. That means Divya is not adjacent to Piyush. Divya here no chance, here no chance. Suppose these three are the possibilities for Divya. If I take a Divya, Divya is tall left. Divya is facing the one who sits tall left of Anjali. If I take a Divya means then facing this person. Here tall left of Anjali. Here Anjali is then chance to take. Why means facing south this one is part. Left hand is one is part. Here right hand. If I take a Divya, Divya is not neighbor of Piyush. This is the possibility. If I take a Divya, now Divya is tall left of. Here Divya is facing the one who sits tall left of. Here Anjali, no chance. Here Divya also no chance. Here also no chance. Then this possibility is simply wrong. Now, friends, check here. Divya is facing. Suppose if I take the spot here, Divya is facing the one who sits tall left of Anjali. 1, 2, 3. Different spot. If I take different spot here, Anjali. For Anjali, tall left. 1, 2, 3. This person is facing Divya. See here. They mention here. Divya faces the one who sits tall left of Anjali. The one who sits tall left of Anjali. Yes, here possibility. Here no chance. Divya is not neighbor of Piyush. If I take here Divya, tall left of Anjali, no chance. Then this is the only possibility. This is the only possibility. Leave it. Next one. Friends, again. Next, Divya is not neighbor of Piyush and not facing Kaira. That means here Divya is not facing Kaira means for Kaira here no chance. Leave it. Next, go for next point. So friends, here next point is found only sorry, the immediate neighbor of Pankaj facing immediate neighbor of Anjali. Immediate neighbor of Pankaj is facing immediate neighbor of Anjali. Leave it. Next point. Go for next point. Only one person is between Parul and Tanuj. Between Parul and Tanuj, here we are having one member who is facing Vishal. Who means what? Tanuj. Tanuj is facing Vishal. This one is part. Vishal. Now this one is part. Here. Tanuj. This one is part. Here. Tanuj. Now one person is between Tanuj and Parul. Tanuj. One person is one is part. Here. Parul. This one is part. Here. Parul. Next one. So when the next one is part, see here. Immediate neighbor of Pankaj is facing immediate neighbor of Anjali. Immediate neighbor of Pankaj is facing immediate neighbor of Anjali. So immediate neighbor of Anjali is this person is facing immediate neighbor of Pankaj. No chance. Next, if I take funny spot, Pankaj, funny spot here, Pankaj. So immediate neighbor of Anjali, this person is facing immediate neighbor of Pankaj, immediate neighbor of Pankaj. Yes. Immediate neighbor of Anjali is facing immediate neighbor of Pankaj. Yes. Now this is the possibility. This one is Pankaj means now remaining this one is part. Vikram, this one is part here. Vikram. Yes. Next point. So next point is part. Sige, go for next point. Sige. Next, neither Kaira next now Jia faces Piyush. Now Kaira and Jia is not facing Piyush. That means for Kaira and Jia here also no chance. Kaira here no chance, here no chance means this is the only possibility for Kaira. This is the only possibility for Kaira. Yes, friend, check this one is part here. Kaira. Now this one is part. For Jia here no chance. Then for Jia only possibility is part. This is the only possibility for Jia. It's the only possibility for Jia. That means here Divya is facing Jia. Next, remaining is what? Vikram and Pankaj are can't sit adjacent. Vikram, Pankaj are not adjacent. Yes. Now, line number 1, remaining is what? Anjali comes to 10. Remaining is what? Dhruv. Yes, friends, again, one is what? Dhruv. Yes. Leave it. This is the given entire arrangement. Now, take questions. Question number 18. If Vishal is related to Vikram, Vishal is related to Vikram. So, Vishal is facing this one. Opposite this part. Sige. Vishal opposite next person. Otherwise, Vishal immediate opposite, immediate person opposite. But to take Vishal facing Tanuj immediate is part Vikram. Yes, leave it. Next one. In the same manner, Anjali is related to Piyush. Anjali opposite Parul. Next person is part Piyush. In the same manner, Kaira is related to. So friends, here Kaira is related to. Kaira opposite is part Vikram. Next person is part Parul. Answer is part Parul. So question number 18. Answer is part option C. Question number 19. Who among the following sit at the extreme end of the row? Extreme end. Anjali Parul? No. Anjali is at the middle. Leave it. Next one. Vishal Vikram? Vishal Vikram is not at extreme. No. Kaira Tanuj? No. Next one. Amisha Pankaj? Amisha, next one is part. Here. Pankaj. Next one is part. Pankaj. Friends, Amisha Pankaj? No. Next one. Next one is part. Jia Divya. Jia extreme end. Divya also extreme end. Answer is part. Option E. Question number 20. How many persons are sitting between Vikram and Divya? Between Vikram and Divya, how many persons here we are having? Vikram and Divya. 1, 2, 3 persons. Yes, answer is for 3. Question number 20. Option C. Question number 21. Which of the following is true regarding Anjali? Yes, regarding Anjali, which of the following is true? Vishal is immediate neighbor of Anjali. No. Vishal is extreme end. This one is for Anjali. Next. Anjali faces immediate neighbor of Pankaj. Anjali is facing immediate neighbor of Pankaj. No. Next one. Anjali sits one of the extreme end. No. Anjali faces the one who is fourth from the right end. Anjali is facing the one who is here. Anjali faces the one who is fourth from the right end of the row. So friends here, 1, 2, 3, fourth from right end of the row. Here Anjali is facing, yes, this one is correct. Anjali, this one is correct. Next, if you're in doubt, check for next one. Anjali said second from the left end of the row. No. They are facing south means funny spot. Left hand funny spot, right hand. Yes. So answer is part. Here option D and answer is part option D. Which of the following is correct means option D. Question number 22. Who among the following faces Piyush? Piyush is facing here. Dhruv. So answer is what? Option B. 22. Option B. Question number 23 to 26. Once again. 8 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are sitting around a rectangular table in such a way that 4 persons sit on the corners. Next, remaining 4 is sitting at the middle. The one who sits at the corners of the table facing opposite to the center of the table, and the one who sits at the middle facing center of the table. Yes, friends, again. So totally here we are having 8 members. Out of 8 members, 4 of them sitting at corners. Remaining 4 is sitting at the middle. Those one who sit at the corners of the table facing opposite to the center. That means away from the center, away from the center. Those one who sit in middle are facing inside the center. Leave it. Next one. So persons sitting on opposite sides are exactly opposite to each other. Leave it. Next. W side second right of V, but we don't know where V is sitting. Maybe corner or maybe middle. Leave it. 3 persons sit between S and W. Leave it. Next one. P side second left of S. Next. U side second left of Q and sit at the middle of the side. Take this point. And qualifies here. U sit at middle of the side of the table. Yes. Middle side of the table. Now UV is at the middle. UV is at the middle. UV is at the middle means what? U side second left of Q. UV second left of Q. For U, 1, 2. If I take here Q, UV second right of Q. Our requirement is part left. For U, 1 different is part Q. Now UV second left of Q. UV second left of Q. Next, leave it. Next point is part any connecting points. Next, both R and U are facing each other. This one is part U. Now this one is part here R. R and U are facing each other. T is an immediate neighbor of both P and W. T is immediate neighbor of P and W. R, W are P and T is immediate neighbor of P and W. That means here 3 persons are neighbors. 3 persons are neighbors means this is the only chance. This is the only chance. But T is compulsory middle. Now T is the neighbor of PW. Otherwise WP. Yes. Next, suburban sige. If I take this part W, this one is part W. W side second right of V. W side second right of V. Friends again. P, T, W. These three are neighbors. These three are neighbors. Suppose if I take this part W, this part here P. Otherwise W, P also chance. Suppose if I take a W means part W side second right of V. For W second person, this one is P. Here if I take here V, W second left of V, but our requirement is part right, then W in that place, no chance. This one is part W, this one is part here P. T is immediate of both P and W. Now W second right of V. V facing outside, left hand and right hand. W second right of V. Now remaining is what? PA second left of S. PA second left of S and PA. This remaining place is what? Yes. Now PA second left of S. This is the given arrangement. Take question. Question number 23. Who among the following facing T? Who facing T here? Q. So question number 23. Answer is option B. Question number 24. The number of persons between P and U. P and U. Friends, check here. P and U. When counted left of P. When counted left of P. Next is same as. So number of persons between P and U when counted to left of P is here 2 members. Here we are having 2 members. Is same as number of persons between Q and dash when counted to the left of Q. Q left of Q and that means Q and W. Left of Q and W. So here counted between Q and W. Then count left of Q and left of Q. Between Q and W, left of Q. How many persons here we are having? 2 members. Then answer is what? Q and W. Answer is what? Here Q and W. So here W and if I take here W means here number of persons between P and U when counted to left of P is what? 2 members is same as between Q and W when counted to left of Q. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 25. How many persons between P and V? Between P and V, how many persons are there? Take clockwise 3, anti-clockwise also 3 members. Answer is what? 3 persons. Answer is what? 3%. Yes. Friends, check here. How many persons between P and V? Between P and V, clockwise 3 members, anti-clockwise 3 members. There is no option. Then simple answer is what? None of these. Question number 25, option E. Question number 26, if all the persons are sitting in the alphabetical order in clockwise direction from P onwards clockwise. See here, P, next Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Next. Then find how many persons remains at the same position. Anyone is remains in the same position excluding P. That means P is not there except P. R, Q, S, R, Q, S, V, T. This one is what? U, this one also U. Now this is it. Same position. VW no, TW no. That means only one. Question 26, option B. Friends, here question 26 to 27 to 29. Here the again questions are from data sufficiency. Data sufficiency means just second whether we are able to solve or not. No need to solve the answer. Now, how many brothers does J have? Friends, here question is for how many brothers does J have? Take one alone. H and K are brothers of G. Friends, here H and K. These two are brothers of G. Brothers of G. Next, one alone we can't say. Two alone. F is wife of B. F is wife of B. B is husband. B is father of G. B is father of G. J is child of F. J is child of F. Two alone also we can't say. Now by combining 1 and 2. By combining 1 and 2. Now friends, check here. H and K are brothers. H and K are brothers. Now, see these four are sibling. But how many brothers does J have means what? G gender we don't know. Then simple answer is what? We can't say. One alone can't say. Two alone can't say. Combine two alone we can't say. How many brothers does J have? Why means we don't know gender of J. J is plus means what? 3 brothers. Minus means what? 2 brothers. So answer is what? We can't say. So answer is what? One alone can't say. Two alone can't say. One alone or two alone? No. Next, the data even in both the statements 1 and 2 are together not sufficient to answer. Then answer is what? Option D. Question number 27, option D. Question number 28, among 6 friends A to F, who got the lowest marks? Leave. A and D get less marks than B, E and F. F and check it. A and D got less marks than B and F and check it. That means friends, check it. BEF got more marks than A and D. A and D. Yes. They in total 6 members and see here we are having B, E and F. These three got more marks than A and D. These three got more marks than A and D. But next is here but qualifies here A and D. But qualifies here first 2 persons A and D. But none of them got the lowest mark. That means A and D does not get the lowest marks. That means here total how many members they given? 6 members. Here these three are more than A and D. But A and D does not get the lowest means what? One more lowest person is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining person is what? A, next B, next remaining person is what? Here C. C got the lowest. C got the lowest. See here. They get total 6 members. BF got more marks than A and D, but A and D does not got lowest mark. That means remaining person is what? C got the lowest one. Then 1 alone is sufficient. 1 alone is sufficient. 2 alone. A get less than D, but more than C. We know about A, D and C. What about remaining? We don't know. Then 2 alone we can't say. That means only answer is what? 1 alone means answer is what? Option A. The data in statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question. 2 alone is not sufficient. Question number 29. On which day in March Rohan celebrate his marriage anniversary when 1st March is Monday? When 1st March is Monday. So friends again. On which date in March Rohan celebrated his marriage anniversary? Yes, leave it. Leave. Now friends again. Rohan wife correctly remember that their anniversary is in the 3rd week of March. 3rd week of March means what? Which day? We don't know. See here. See here. 1st March is what? Here. Monday. First one is what? Here. Monday. 1st March is Monday. Means next March. Next Monday 8. Next Monday is what? Here 15. That means their marriage day is what? In a 3rd week. That means 15, 16, 17, 18. We don't know. Leave it. One alone can't say. Rohan brothers correctly remember that his anniversary is last day of 3rd week of March. Last day of 3rd week of March. Last day of 3rd week of March. So friends, here first week is what? Here 1 to here 8. 1 plus first week. Next 8 to next one is what? Plus 7 is what? 15 is what? Second week. 15 to next one is what? 22. 22 is what? 3rd week. But the next one is what? Last day of the 3rd week. Last day of the 3rd week. That means here 22 minus 1 is what? Here 21. Yes. last day of the third week, last day of the third week. Yes. So friends, by using 2 alone, we are able to answer. We are able to answer. See here. First one is one. Simply they mention third day of the week. Third day. That means see here. Third week of March. Third week of March means then entire week will come. We don't know. But the mention is what? Last day of third week. Last day of third week. Last day of third week is what? 21. That means 2 alone we are able to answer. Even no need to take answer. No need to get here answer. Simply take common sense. Friends, check here. The given is what? Third week means third week of March. Last day of third week means we are able to conclude. We are able to conclude. So 2 alone is sufficient. 1 alone is not sufficient. Then simple answer is what? Option B. So question number 29 answer is what? Option B. Data sufficiency means one tick answer whether we are able to solve or not. No need to get, no need to take answers and no need to take here answers. Yes, leave it. Go for next one. 32. Here again questions are from syllogism. Take care the mention is what? Which of the following conclusions are logically follow? That means true. Take care first one. 30. Only few posters are wallpapered. That means some posters are wallpapered. Some posters are wallpapers. At the same time, some posters are not wallpaper. Some posters are not wallpaper. Only few wallpapers are painting. Some wallpaper is a painting. Some wallpaper is a painting. At the same time, some part of wallpaper is not painting. Next one. Next one is what? No painting is a art. Now friends check here. No painting is a art. Take first conclusion. Some wallpaper can never be. Can never be means what? Some not. Some wallpaper are not art. Some wallpaper is not art. Yes. No painting is art. In painting wallpaper is some part. That means some part of wallpaper is not art. So first one is true. Remember can never be means what? Some not. Next one. Some posters are not wallpaper. Some posters are not wallpaper. We know some part of poster is not wallpaper. Yes. Second one is true. Next third one. Some posters are painting. Poster and painting list is what? Can't say. Now third one is wrong. Then answer is what? Only 1 and 2 follows. Only 1 and 2 follows means answer is what? Option D. Question number 30. Option D. Question number 31. Friends take here given statement. Given statement is what? Some spaces are not universe. Friends check here. Spaces. Some spaces are not universe. Some spaces are here not universe. Next one. All universe are nebulous. Yes, friends check here. Friends check here. All universe is a nebulous. Yes. Next one is what? Only few nebulous are galaxy. That means some nebulous is galaxy. Next, some part is nebulous is not galaxy. Yes, leave it. Take first conclusion. Some spaces are not nebulous. Friends, some spaces are not nebulous. We can't say. We know some space is not universe. If nebulous is inside of universe means some part of space is not U and some part of space is not N. But here nebulous is out of U means we can't say. First one is what? Can't say. Second one. Some nebulous are not galaxy. Yes. Some part of nebulous is what? Not galaxy. Second one is true. Third one. All galaxy can be universe. All galaxy can be universe. Yes, friends, check here. Here, if I take here galaxy, all galaxy can be universe. This some part of nebulous is not here galaxy. That means this one is possible. Now, third one also possible. Here can be means what? Possibility. Then answer is what? Second and third is true. Second and third is true means answer is what? Option A. Question number 31. Option A. Question number 32. Take here given statement. Only few clusters are stars. Friends, check here. Cluster. Some cluster is a star. Some cluster is a star. At the same time, some part of cluster is not star. Next one. No star is a sun. No star is a sun. Next, only few suns are nova. Some sun is a nova. At the same time, some part of sun is here, not nova. Take first conclusion. Some stars are not clustered. Some stars are not clustered. Some star is not clustered. We know some cluster is not star. We can't say some star is not clustered. Some not in one direction means we are not able to conclude. Reverse some not. First one is what? Can't say. Second one. All cluster can be sun. All cluster can be sun. We know no star is a sun. In star, cluster is some part. That means we know already some part of cluster is not sun. This remaining part of cluster is sun is a possibility true. But all cluster is sun is a possibility false. Why means already some part of cluster is not sun. Then second one is wrong. Next one. All nova being star is a possibility. All nova being star is a possibility. Here no star is a sun and then no sun is a star. No sun is a star means in sun nova is some part. Some part of nova is not star. Then all nova is a star is a possibility. Wrong. Why is already some nova is not star. Then third one also wrong. Then answer is what? None follow. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 32. Option C. Question number 33. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word geography? Explain check it. GEO. Next GRA. PHY. Geography. Each of which has many letters between them in the English alphabet, both forward and reverse. Take it. After G, what will come alphabetical? G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. No. After E, F, G, E to G. Next, H, I, J, K, L. No. After G, not there. H, I, K, L, M. No. R, S, T, U, V. No. A, B, C, D. No. P. Next no. Next after H also not there. That means forward one pair. Take reverse. Y. Next Z. Then after that don't take again E and next leave. After H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. Next after P. Q. R. That means see here. P. Q. R. S. T. No need to check. After A. B. C. D. E. That means here A to E. Next F. After R. Not there. Leave it. After G. Next one is what? H, I, J. No. After O, P. No. Next after E, F. No. That means forward to one, reverse to total 3 pairs. Question number 33, option D. Question number 34 to 36. Here again question is from blood relation. Take here. There are 8 members in the family with 3 generations. There are more than 3 females. Next, S is son-in-law of M. Now friends check here. S is son-in-law of M. Son-in-law means what? Here, daughter's husband. Next, who is the mother of J and K? That means here M is the mother of J and K. M is the mother of here J and K. Next we don't know who is S wife. We don't know. So M is mother of J and K. Leave it. Next one. W is the wife of V. W is the wife of V. Friend check it. W is the wife of V. Next, who is the cousin of U? Now V is the cousin of U. V is the cousin of U. Next, P married to M. Now the given is what? Here P is married to M. P is married to M. Next, J is uncle of U. J is uncle of U means for J here S and J couple no chance. Why means J is uncle? That means here J is plus. J is plus. That means here J no chance. Now this one is what? Here K. This one is what? Here J. This one is what? Here J. Now J is uncle of U means now this one is what? Here U. This one is what? Here U. Now friends here our requirement is one. S is son-in-law M. Next. That means here K and S are now couples. Now J is uncle of U. Next one is what? Friends check here. Now U and the given is what? See here cousin something. W is the wife of V. Who is the cousin of U? That means V is the cousin of U. That means here this one is what? Here V. Now V is the cousin of U. V is the cousin of U. Now W and V both are couples. V plus W is minor. Friends, cousins means what? Aunt or uncle, son or daughter. This one is here U and V both are cousins means this one is what? U. That means this uncle, son and daughter is what? This one also cousin. These two are cousins. But our question is what? More than 3 females in the given information. Then 1 female, 2 female, 3 female. That means here U also female. Yes. Take your question. Question number 34. Friends, how P is related to V? How P is related to V? P is related to V is what? Grandfather. So question number 34. Answer is what? Option C. Grandfather. Question number 35. How EV is related to K? Friends, here how EV is related to K and how EV is related to K? Friends, how EV is related to K here? Daughter. How EV is related to K here? Daughter. So question number 35. Answer is what? Option D. Daughter. Question number 36. Find the odd one. Find the odd one. Yes. Friends, check here. W and U. W and U both are, friends, check here. W and U both are males or females? W and U1. W and U. So both are females. Both are females. Yes, leave. J and S. J and S both are males. P and V. Now friends check here. P and V both are males. M and S. M and S. One is male, other one is female. W and K. W and K both are female. Yes. Friends, then simple answer is what? Option D. Why means except option D, remaining all are same pairs. Both are females, both are males, both are males, both are females. But here one is male, other one is female. That is a different one. So option D. Next question number 37. If it is possible to make only one meaningful English word with the first and last letters of the word crop. First and last letter. Check here. CP. Next. together with the second and fourth letter of the word, second and fourth letter of the word date. AE. Next. Often check here. Second and fourth letter of the word here, date. Now, then which are the following will be the last letter of the newly formed word? If no such word can be made, then answer is part. So no such word can be formed, then give us X. Next, more than one word, then answer is part. Here, Y. Answer is part, Y. Then first one is part. So cape, CAPE, cape. Next, pace, PACE, pace. Yes, two words are enough. And Y means if more than one word means answer is part, Y. So question number 37, option E, Y. Question number 38 to 40, friends take your given question. How many symbols are there in the above? How many symbols are there? Yes, friends take here, symbols. Which is immediately preceding by number. Preceding means what? Before. Before by number. Immediately followed. Followed means what? After by consonant. Number, symbol, consonant. Check once. Number, symbol, consonant. Next. Number, symbol, no. Next. Number, symbol, no. Number, symbol, consonant. Next. Number, symbol, no. Number, symbol, consonant. Number, symbol, consonant. Now that means how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs here we are having. Then answer is what? 4. Question number 38, option D. Question number 39, which of the following element is exactly between ninth element from left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth element is what? E. Next, and 16th element from right hand. From right hand, 16th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, now exactly middle. So friends, here 3, how many here we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Middle means part. 15 by 10 is part. 7. Remainder is part. 1. 7 plus 1 is part. 8 is the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the middle. So here we are having 7 elements. Here also we are having 7 elements. Middle is part. C. Question number 39. Answer is part. Option A. See here, question number 40. How many numbers are there in the? How many numbers are there? Yes, friends, check here. Which are immediately preceded. Preceded means what? Before. Before by vowel and immediately followed by symbol. Followed by symbol. Yes. Vowel, number, symbol. Friends, check here. Vowel, number, symbol. Yes. 1. Next. Vowel, number, symbol. Vowel number, no. Vowel number, no. Next. Vowel number, no. Then simple answer is what? Only one pair. Answer is what? Option B. Question number 40. Option B.